Actually, I bought this dishwasher tabletop. Unfortunately, it's all in Chinese. So that's the unit. It's very compact. There are some heights. Looking at it externally, at the back, it's all in Chinese, by the way. Look at the bottom. So you got on this side some air holes. So here you got one button. Once you open it, you get all this. So look at the unit at the top. Yeah. Here you can see. Put the salt here. Check out the filter. Okay, what do we have? So you can so that's about it. So these are the accessories it comes with, and lots of adapters. So connecting this to the water. Let's open it. As soon as we open it, you can see a light. Yeah, place to this. Like this. Just switch it on. Here you can see it's in Chinese. This is a smart wash. Here is the standard wash, a disinfected wash, and a quick wash. NFC, you can download an app and control it. Quick wash, 3 hours, and you can press play, pause. They sound as TV. Just gonna keep it in there. It's washing now. The sound, so it's not a disturbing sound. It's washing. Let's pause it a little bit. It's very hot inside. You can see bubbles forming. It's washing really well. In Thailand, dishwasher tablets are very expensive, especially the foreign ones. I found this brand, Seaways. Seems to be doing the job. It comes with these tablets as well. As a powder, as a tablet. You can see 24 hours it can keep. Everything is very clean. most importantly, it doesn't have any microbes. As you can see, very clean. Very clean. So sometimes you get a jar like this tall, and you can increase the size here, from here to here to here. On this one, you can increase from here to there. So let's just do the here a bit higher. Here I've written this is 75 degrees, 75 degrees, 75 degrees, and that is 50 degrees. And then stop. Can now turn it off. Notice that at the top there's a lot of heat. Not that much, but especially when it's drying,